Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get a hold of the diesel fuel filter mentioned in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. To access your diesel filter, you'll need to remove the air filter. Using a socket screwdriver and a Torx T20 socket, completely unscrew the 3 screws on the air filter flange. Lift off the flange. To take it off, incline it slightly and pull it towards you. Take out the filter. Take the hose out of its plastic cover. To be able to access the diesel filter, you must first take off the protective plate. To do this, remove its 2 fastening screws using a ratchet and a Torx T25 socket. Take the hose out of its plastic cover. Remove the protective plate. Then with a ratchet and a Torx T25 socket, unscrew the retaining screws on the diesel filter. Use a pair of pliers to press the coloured parts of the connector. Then pull on the hose to disconnect it. Repeat the operation on the other hose. Then lift the filter and with a flathead screwdriver, push the electric connector of the filter. You can now remove the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Put the filter back in place. Remember to put the electric connector back beforehand. Screw the filter retaining screw back in place. Start by hand and finish using a socket wrench and a Torx T25 socket. Clip the diesel inlet and outlet hoses back in place. Put the protection plate for the diesel filter back in place. Then screw the screws back in. Reclip the hoses. Reinstall the airbox. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Screw the 3 screws back in. Before starting your vehicle, pump the primer pump until it becomes hard. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.